Hello to all, I'm here with an unboxing of the Radian AX556 lower receiver. So when you first open up the box, you're greeted with some promotional literature, some information about your product, other Radian products, as well as some information about the company. Underneath that, you have some stickers and the lower receiver itself. So if you know anything about these lowers, you know they do cost a bit more than your standard aluminum forged lowers. So once you probably walk out the store with this, purchasing it from an online retailer, you're probably looking at $400 with your transfer and background check included. So what do you get for something that costs multiple times more than a standard $50 to $120 lower, depending on the roll mark? You get a receiver that is fully ambidextrous. And what I mean by that, everything you can do on the right side, you can do on the left side. So most lower receivers that are faux ambidextrous, they are missing one key aspect, but this has all of them. So for it to start, you have magazine release, of course, on your right side, standard. Above that, you have a bolt release. Back here, throw in any ambi safety, and you're able to put your firearm safe for fire. Other side, you have magazine release here, bolt catch, bolt release, and again, your safety selector. Where it differs from other receivers, right here, if you look at the bolt catch, and if I push on the magazine release, you will see the bolt catch goes up. So this gives it fully ambidextrous controls, being able to hold the bolt back as well as release it on the right-hand side. Most receivers will only have a release, so you can drop the bolt, but this one has a catch as well. Other ones that can do that are LMT, LWRC, and something like this, the ADM. With this one, you have a little lever right here. We're able to push up to catch the bolt, and once it's held up, press down, drop the bolt. Also a positive for about $400. They do include your takedown pins, and of course, since the internals are proprietary, it comes with it too. I'm planning on starting a 7.62 by 39 SBR build. For my trust information, I'll probably put it right here. It doesn't seem as intrusive, a little bit out the way. Hopefully there's enough room for the font to be the correct size. I'll probably be looking at an 8-inch barrel or so, but I'll be posting videos on what I select and putting the stuff together till the build is completed. I'm looking forward to this build, and I know I have already started off on the right foot with this lower receiver. Stay tuned for more videos about it, and thanks for watching.